NordLocker Password Manager Review Usage Experience. In today's review, we will be taking a close look at NordLocker Password Manager, diving into its features, usability, and performance. If you're interested, you can find links to the product in the description below. NordLocker is a robust password manager designed with both security and convenience in mind. It's primarily built for users who value data privacy, individuals seeking a reliable way to manage their credentials, and businesses that need secure access to sensitive information. One of the standout features is its zero-knowledge encryption, ensuring that only you can access your data. This means even NordLocker can't see or decrypt your passwords. Privacy is a top priority. Setting up NordLocker is seamless. The user interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, making it suitable for both beginners and more tech-savvy users. It offers features like password storage, secure notes, and document vaults. Additionally, NordLocker's password generator ensures you always create strong, unique passwords, eliminating the risks of password reuse. Another major plus is its cross-platform support, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, syncing your data across devices without compromising security. NordLocker also supports two-factor authentication, 2FA, for an added layer of protection, ensuring your accounts stay secure even if your master password is compromised. In terms of sharing, it allows encrypted file sharing, so you can safely send sensitive information without worrying about leaks. For those concerned with performance, NordLocker runs smoothly in the background without noticeable slowdowns. It integrates well with your day-to-day browsing, whether through the desktop app or browser extension. Overall, NordLocker is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enhance their password management security. Whether you're an individual or part of a team, its blend of security features, ease of use, and cross-platform compatibility make it a great option to consider. For more details, don't forget to check the links in the description below.